oh. Can I hear you give me like an oh?
No.
What's up, everybody? We are back with another episode of Street Smart with Rashid. I am your host, Rashid Kareem Shatty. We are here today at the world-famous La Brea Tar Pits. The people here are interested in history and science. Let's see how much they know about health. What is your name and where are you from?
Judy Schlebecker from San Diego.
My name is Tom Diamond. I'm from Aliso Viejo.
I'm Pete Schlebecker, same thing.
Hi, I'm Mark Anthony, and I'm from LA.
From the East Coast, just San Diego, 3 years.
Ah, okay. And what part of the East Coast?
Everywhere.
I'll ask you a little pre-question. Do you happen to have any tattoos by any chance?
Do not.
Me neither. I do not either.
They're covered right now, but there's one right here on my arm and the other one right here on my wrist.
That's cool. Okay. You're the first tatted up person we've ran into. You're the first tatted up person we've ran into today. How long after getting a tattoo do you need to wait before you can donate blood? Is it A, 2 months, B, 3 months, or C, 5 months?
Wow. It's a shot in the dark on that. 2 months.
B, 3 months.
Our son just got a big one. 3 months?
3 months is correct. You are right. You're 1 for 1. You are correct. Well done there, Mark Anthony. This is only if the tattoo is completely healed. You can donate blood. Please don't interrupt. You can donate blood sooner in states that regulate tattoo parlors, but if they don't, or if you relied on your friend with a stick and poke kit, it's a 3-month wait. All right, you're 1 for 1. True or false? Poinsettias are toxic.
True.
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 To animals.
It's actually false.
Aren't they toxic to either dogs or cats?
I'll tell you right now, you've heard that you have to be really careful around children and pets, like dogs and cats. But the truth is that poinsettias aren't linked to significant problems, according to health officials. One review examined 23,000 cases in which people called the Poison Control Center, and there were no deaths or significant poisoning. A 50-pound child would have to eat 500 leaves to get really sick.
You eat enough of anything and you'll get sick, right?
Right, you drink enough water, you're right. That's a lot of leaves, Mark Anthony. Do you think you could eat 500 poinsettia leaves?
Probably the hungry kid, maybe.
Kids can be really hungry. Bottomless pits, like the La Brea Tar Pits. Oh! Can I hear you give me like an oh?
No.
Number 3. If you're in water, what temperature does it have to be before you start suffering from hypothermia? Is it A, 55, B, 60, or C, 70?
Guess it's 60.
60. Let's go with 60.
55. I'm going to go with 55.
Well, it could be 70. It depends how long you're in there.
So you say 70?
Yes.
That is correct. You got one.
I guess if you're in it long enough, you would... Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I was thinking the same thing. I thought 70 was like a warm, a nice warm swim. But hypothermia starts much more quickly in water because it conducts your body heat away 25 times faster than air. You'll last longer with protective equipment like dry suits or wool clothing and a quick way to signal a rescuer.
My name's Tom. I just played Street Smart for Dherbs. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Mark Anthony. I just played the Street Smart Challenge. Thank you, Dherbs.
Pete Schlebecker, and this is my wife.
Judy Schlebecker.
And we just played Street Smarts. And thank you very much to Dherbs.
All right, guys, that wraps up another episode of Street Smart with Rashid. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and tune in again next week for another episode.